So I just read Camping Without a Phone and read the answer and answer choices, or read the questions and answer choices. And this is the second story. It's much shorter. So I will read this, and then I will read the questions and the answer choices as well. And then I will send it into Schoology, and then you guys can go ahead and submit your answers. Okay? So getting bottled water out of schools. There is no place for bottled water in most U.S. schools. At the beginning of each school year, every student should be assigned a reusable personal water bottle. These water bottles can travel with students to gym class, the cafeteria, and so on. Students can fill their bottles with tap water fountains and quench their thirst anytime. This practice will make American schools greener and healthier. How? Health and water. First, water is healthy. With constant access to water at school, students are less likely to pack sugary beverages such as soft drinks and juice. Second, tap water is healthy. Studies show that bottled water is no healthier than tap water. Unless tests show that a school's tap water contains lead, students can hydrate healthfully. Reducing plastic waste. Americans buy enormous amounts of bottled water each year. That number has increased greatly over time. Each additional gallon purchased means more energy spent to transport water, more plastic bottles produced, more energy spent on recycling, and more landfill space taken. Reducing water waste. Think of all the partially full water bottles that people throw away. This is a waste of both plastic and water. With permanent personal water bottles, students will not waste water in this way. They will drink what they want, close the bottle, and keep it. It's all benefit with no waste. Okay. So the first question is, the following question has two parts. Answer part A and then part B. At the beginning of each school year, every student should be assigned a reusable personal water bottle. The Latin prefix re means again. What does the word reusable mean? A, it's able to be used many times. B, it's made of plastic. C, it's thrown away after one use. Or D, used for different purposes. And then part B is, which sentence from the text best supports your answer in part A? So which one of these best supports this answer up here and shows that it supports it? A, there is no place for bottled water in most U.S. schools. B, first, water is healthy. C, Americans buy enormous amounts of bottled water each year. Or D, it's all benefit with no waste. Number 12, why is the first paragraph important to the author's agreement? So why is this paragraph right here so important to the author's argument? Okay. A, it introduces the claim that personal water bottles will make schools greener and healthier. B, it explains that tap water is as healthy as bottled water. C, it details how personal water bottles will make schools greener and healthier. Or D, it presents three main areas in which personal water bottles will help the environment. So right here is a graph, and you will need this graph. So it says, so schools and students, what are you waiting for? Stop the plague of plastic. So this graph you will need, as you can see, it says volume in billions of gallons. And since 1990 to 2015, this is the amount of water bottles being sold in the United States. So as you can see, it's rapidly going up. So keep that in mind. Number 13, unless tests show that a school's tap water contains lead, students can hydrate healthfully. Which word from this sentence is a homograph of a word that means to be in charge or command of? Which one means to be in charge or command? A, to show, B, to tap, C, to lead, or D, can. Almost done. So I'm going to go ahead and get off of this video because as you can see, my time's running out. And I'm going to start a new one to read the last three questions to you. So I will go ahead and finish this one and post another one.